Now we're going to move on to look at choice or preference. This is when there's no fear or concern or discomfort involved. Now we're going to look at three different areas here. The first one we're going to look at is when our dog perceives a better alternative. So maybe our dog is just enjoying the current activity more than the cued behaviour. So maybe our dog is running along on the beach chasing the bird and we ask for a down. Now they know what a down means, but it doesn't mean they're going to be able to do it at that time because they're currently doing something they really, really enjoy. Similarly, our dog might be playing with another dog and we recall our dog. They know what the recall cue means, but they may choose to not respond because they're enjoying doing the activity that they're doing. If we're working with a very confident individual, that dog may be able to go to very high arousal levels and still be within the optimal level. So they may be still able to accurately respond to our cues at quite high arousal levels. Whereas if we're working with a more anxious individual, as that arousal goes up, they're much more likely to go past the optimal level and not be able to respond to our cues any longer. Equally the activity. So if our dog is maybe doing lure coursing or tracking, they may be able to do that at a very high arousal level and still be accurate, still able to respond accurately to our cues. Whereas if they're doing rally, for example, if they're at that same arousal level, they may no longer be accurate in their responses to our cues. If stimulation is part of the reason why our dog is not able to respond to our cues, then we want to go ahead and do that desensitization type work. And habituation. Habituation just meaning spend time in those settings